goodness, my legs are ashy. The first outfit, this dress is thrifted. Thrifted it this year, and I was asking you guys if I needed another black slip dress, and everybody said yes. I'm really glad I got it because it has a flounce at the hem. Who doesn't love flounce? The turtleneck is from my friend who gifted it to me for my birthday. This makes it super office friendly. I find that those office holiday parties, when you go to those banquets, they get really chilly. And a tip, if you're wearing a slip dress or something slightly more fitted and light over a long sleeve, is to tuck your top into your underwear so that it doesn't start bunching at the waist, so that it's seamless throughout. Oh, these got tight. Man, I always forgot that there's pockets. So this outfit I would call Mrs. Claus but fashion. This is super festive, a totally thrifted outfit aside from the shoes. They used to be a skirt, but then I DIY'd this into pants, well, with my mom for the DIY red carpet look video, and I haven't looked back since. This was even featured in some of my old holiday lookbooks, and I'm so happy they got converted into pants. Oh, earrings. These would make it a little more festive. Is green too weird? Not really. This top I thrifted just the other day, 2 days ago, and I love how papery the shirt is. You can hear it. And then this skirt I thrifted, I think earlier this year. I love that the slit is in the front. This would be a totally cool dinner party look. Honestly, I think I found myself a spring outfit as well. This bag is not thrifted. This bag I got from Target. This waistband is so tight that it stays wherever you want it. So if you want to cover up the crop top, or if you want to show a little bit of skin, it sits perfectly where you want it to. I never thought I'd be a power shoulders kind of gal, let alone a men's shoulder padded power shoulder padded kind of gal, but here I am. This dress alone could translate into many different things, but throw on an oversized blazer and you kind of have a totally different look. Thrifted, thrifted, thrifted. Maybe this would look good with it. Ooh. You know what would also look great with it? If those pearl headbands that people have been rocking these days. If you had like a red velvet headband, that would be ace. Note that these are all open-toed shoes, open leg outfits, because who cares about snow? Not me. Long drapey pants are in right now, and I was on the hunt for them for a while until I found this pair. These two were also thrifted this week, so it goes to show how many outfits you can put together at the thrift store. Feels like I'm wearing pajamas, looks like I'm wearing pajamas, but then paired with a pair of dress pants, heels, pearls, and red lipstick makes it all the more festive. 2019 gave me her, so I have zero complaints. This year has been a blast. Let me know in the comments below what's your favorite outfit. If you need more holiday inspiration, you can find me on Instagram at Letitia-Q, or you can check out my holiday playlist that has years and years of DIY, thrifting, and other holiday related videos. Happy holidays to you all, and I will see you in 2020.